JTF-2, the Joint Task Force. 2. When most people think of Canada, they picture a polite, peaceful nation. But operating in the shadows is a Tier 1 Special Operations Unit built for missions that demand absolute precision. Joint Task Force 2, or JTF-2. Formed in 1993 to take over counter-terrorism duties from the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, JTF-2 handles the most dangerous tasks that never make the headlines. Their missions and member identities are strictly classified. To join, candidates face a grueling selection process, followed by intense psychological conditioning and live fire drills. This preparation pays off. JTF-2 operators are known for hunting war criminals in the Balkans and conducting high-stakes, covert raids alongside U.S. Delta Force and SEAL Team 6 in Afghanistan. They are the silent tip of the Canadian spear. Canadian Joint Incident Response Unit. Modern warfare involves invisible threats, which is where the Canadian Joint Incident Response Unit, or CJIRU, steps in. This highly specialized unit is the nation's rapid response shield against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats known as CBRN. Capable of deploying within hours to handle weapons of mass destruction, the unit is split into 3 specific troops: sampling and identification, surveillance, and decontamination. CJIRU operators endure physically demanding work, performing complex technical and forensic tasks while wearing heavy, restrictive hazmat protective suits in highly toxic environments. 427. Special Operations Aviation Squadron. None of these ground forces can operate without the lifeline of the sky, the 427 Special Operations Aviation Squadron. Based in Petawawa, Ontario, this is the dedicated aviation wing for Canada's elite forces, similar to the U.S. Army's 161st Night Stalkers. Interestingly, unlike other special operations units, they do not use a formal selection course. Instead, they recruit elite pilots directly from the Royal Canadian Air Force and retrain them for high-risk stealth operations. Operating a fleet of highly modified CH-146 Griffin helicopters, these aviators specialize in precision flying, in total silence, executing fast roping insertions, rapid extractions, and providing aerial sniper overwatch for ground teams in hostile territory. Canadian Special Operations Regiment. If JTF-2 is the surgical scalpel, the Canadian Special Operations Regiment, or CSOR, is the heavy-hitting strike force. Formed in 2006 and modeled heavily after the U.S. Army Rangers, CSOR acts as a vital bridge between regular military infantry and Tier 1 units. They are a high-readiness expeditionary force trained for special warfare, direct action raids, and special reconnaissance across diverse environments, from the freezing Arctic to dense jungles. Furthermore, CSOR frequently deploys overseas to train and advise partner militaries. To earn their tan beret, candidates must survive a brutal 10-day intensive assessment, followed by months of grueling tactical conditioning. Canadian Special Operations Training Center. To forge operators of this caliber, Canada relies on the Canadian Special Operations Training Center. Also located in Petawawa, this unit serves as the intellectual and educational core of the entire special operations community. The CSOTC is responsible for standardizing training across all units, ensuring that whether an operator is flying a helicopter or defusing a chemical weapon, they operate with the exact same elite mindset, ethics, and tactical foundation. Naval Tactical Operations Group. Finally, we move to the sea with the Naval Tactical Operations Group, or NTOG. Formed in 2014, this is the Royal Canadian Navy's dedicated maritime interdiction force. While not officially part of the Special Operations Command, NTOG operates at the exact same high standard. They specialize in countering piracy, seizing illegal weapons, and protecting Canadian warships. These operators are trained in close-quarters combat and maritime law, routinely boarding moving, hostile ships in complete darkness and rough seas. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you learned something, make sure to leave a like. Subscribe if you would like to see similar videos. Thank you again, and goodbye.